Blessed, blessed, blessed. Star Seed is here once again. Big up yourself. Yeah, you are the mix up. See, today topic we are going to talk about some people. Seeing and company. Seeing, be careful of the company where you keep. Virgin and friends. Be careful of the company them where you keep. Because you feel say everything nice. And also the thing work. You see some man where you keep as your friend, them is not your friend. You think say you want them a friend, but them is not your friend. You to them a bait. Yeah. You a bait. Where them got you pan hook. You understand what I say? So when the shark come and the big fish come, and you get catch. Yeah, and you get catch. And where them there, and them have the fish line in them hand. And you get suck off, and them still good. You understand what I say? You ever roll with some money and you see some things go on and guess what go on? A human a come after when you don't know nothing about it. You never hear say one bad seed spoil the whole lot. So you must have to take for yourself from those type of company. Enough man miss drop out like that. Because a company. You understand what I say? Enough man head back leak out like that because a company. You understand what I say? Come on, man. We can do better than that. We don't need people to motivate we. No. God alone motivate we. And when we walk and make a step, God will walk with we. So who is mankind for we? A roll and a run down like a fool, like an idiot, like a baboon. We don't want them type of things there. You know see how the world are run. You know see how things are run. Them laugh and drink and eat with you and you see as soon as you turn your back, at them same one lick off your head back. At them same one set you up. At them same one call police by you. At them same one do everything. Zane and you wonder why go on and say you salt. And not salt your salt. Yes, you salt because you should not deal with them, the company there. Because of them same one put you down. Oh, you gonna rise if you have people around you like that. You can't make a step, you can't make a walk, you can't make a move, you can't make a talk. And we just sit down there like an idiot. Laugh and drink and smoke and say, "Ray, everything crisp, everything nice." A man in a wake up in a cell. Enough now wake up. It's the way me I say. So you just have to be careful of the people that you have around you, yeah, man. Careful of the company them when you keep. Because these type of people is not with us. Them not with us. They are on the other side and we the on this side and we gone over for them side. The anything we get, we not must have to take. Why you gone over there? Enough time you have some other real friend and brethren will warn you and say you left out of them people a company. Now roll with someone such a man and you say, "Oh, I want to them people come like I stop them want stop my food," or a bad mind thing I go on. Aside them side to go on make them tell you them things there. Because people will have a inner side for certain things more than you. Because through you inner it, you not see the out part of it. But them when they on the outer part of it, I see what I go on the inner part of it. You understand what I say? And when them come and I give you a little hint, if them never respect you, them won't come to you and I give you them little hint there. Them would make you just stay there and just make things happen. But when you don't listen, and you don't take telling, and you don't take talking, and them things that happen. You understand what I say? You don't know, you know. Nothing more to say on that topic, you know. Star Seed, you know. You are the mix up. Yeah, I'm out.